Hello everyone. I was working as a QA in manual testing since 2 years 5 months. Currently, I made a switch in a company where I am handed over a Salesforce project. Due to zero knowledge in Salesforce, I was not able to recollect the basic concepts of Salesforce, whatever was given me through walkthrough in my company. I discussed this with one of my friend and she suggested me to join CRS Info Solution for better knowledge of Salesforce and admin and developer. Thus, with her recommendation, I joined the institution and I am really happy to tell you that it is true. CRS Info Solution takes upon the responsibility to let each and every student know everything about Salesforce. The trainers are so knowledgeable that you will not find it difficult to have an hands on whatever the concepts the trainer teaches you. Trainer will provide you all the proper notes with assignment, whatever he teaches you daily. Also, on Sundays, there are Q&A sessions where each and every doubt are being cleared. I would highly recommend everyone viewing this video to join CRS Info Solution to have a proper guidance and proper knowledge of Salesforce, both in admin and developer. Thank you.